How to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, before creating a broadcast channel on Instagram, you must learn about the criteria related to creation of broadcast channel. The first thing you need to know that you must have a creator account and it needs to be public. The second thing is you need 10,000 followers or more. Unsure of how to hit the target, you need to simply start your journey by learning how to get 1000 Instagram followers, then work your way up from there. Now let's start creating a broadcast for that launch Instagram. And now come back to the home screen. Hit the profile icon at bottom right. And now you need to make sure that you create a professional account. And then tap three line icon at top right. Scroll down and then choose account privacy and make sure that private account button is toggled off. Come back and you need to check your followers. As you can see currently there is only 3 followers, but you need 10,000 followers to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. So simply, if you got 10,000 followers, then you need to come back and then tap the messenger icon at top right corner of the screen. And after that, tap on the new message icon at top right. If you meet the criteria, you will have the option to create a channel. You can tap on it and proceed to set up your broadcast channel. And after that, you can easily follow the on-screen prompts and create a broadcast channel on Instagram. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.